Forget what you've seen in sci-fi movies. The robot revolution isn't on its way. It's already here, transforming factory floors across the globe. These are the machines building our world, faster, smarter, and with more precision than we ever thought possible. While we've been dreaming about the future, this army of steel and circuits has been busy making it a reality. They don't need breaks, they don't make mistakes, and they're changing everything we use, wear, and drive. Today, we're counting down the 7 most mind-blowing robots that are revolutionizing factories as we speak. Kicking off our list at number 7 are the undisputed heavyweights of the factory floor, Fanuc's industrial robots. You might not recognize the name, but you definitely know their work. With over 1 million of their iconic yellow arms installed, they are a huge part of the global robot workforce, which now totals over 4.3 million units. Think about the car you drive or the phone in your pocket. There's a good chance a Fanuc robot helped build it. These machines are the definition of industrial workhorses, designed for one simple purpose: to work 24/7 with unbelievable precision. While other robots focus on learning, Fanuc's strength is in flawlessly executing tasks at a speed and scale that's just impossible for humans. They are the masters of mass production. In a car factory, you'll see hundreds of them working in perfect harmony, welding frames, painting panels, and assembling parts without ever missing a beat. Some of their biggest models, like the M2000IA, can lift an entire car. We're talking over 2,300 kilograms, while still maintaining microscopic accuracy. And even though they're the old guard of automation, they're constantly evolving with new models for everything from food prep to clean rooms, ensuring they're not going anywhere. They represent the raw, brute force power of automation that set the stage for this entire revolution. At number 6, we're shifting from caged giants to friendly coworkers. Meet the collaborative robot, or cobot, a category pioneered by Universal Robots. For decades, industrial robots were powerful but dangerous, locked away behind safety cages. Universal Robots, or UR, changed all that by designing robots that can work safely right alongside people. UR's cobots are lightweight, flexible, and surprisingly easy to program. Instead of needing a computer science degree, an operator can often just grab the robot's arm and physically guide it through a task. This lead-to-teach programming has torn down the barriers to entry, making automation possible for small and medium-sized businesses that couldn't dream of affording a massive, complex robot system. You can find them doing everything from delicate assembly work to packing boxes, taking over the repetitive and physically demanding jobs that wear people down. This frees up human workers to focus on the creative and critical thinking tasks that we do best. It's human-robot collaboration at its finest, boosting productivity and making factories safer. And they're getting even better. UR keeps releasing new models with a longer reach for tricky jobs and is partnering with tech giants like NVIDIA to bake in more AI, making their cobots even smarter. UR proves the future of automation isn't just about replacing humans, but about augmenting them. Sliding into our number 5 spot is a robot that's not just powerful, but revolutionary for its price tag, the StandardBot's Core. For years, the biggest hurdle for automation was the astronomical cost, often running into hundreds of thousands of dollars for a single robot. StandardBots is on a mission to change that. Operating out of New York, this American company is aiming to democratize robotics. Their main robot, the Core, is a versatile arm that offers similar capabilities to the industry giants, but at a fraction of the cost. It comes with a 3D vision system and a no-code, AI-powered interface. This means workers with zero programming experience can teach the robot new tasks just by showing it what to do. This has been a total game changer, allowing smaller factories and machine shops to automate common jobs like loading machines or stacking boxes. Demand is so high that StandardBots has been rapidly expanding its U.S. production to keep up. The company is also pushing its capabilities with recent announcements about a new robot that can handle a massive 30-kilogram payload with a 2-meter reach, perfect for heavier jobs in the auto and aerospace industries. By making robotics affordable and easy, Standard Bots is making sure everyone can get in on the automation revolution. Breaking into our top 4 are the robots that are finally cutting the cord. Meet the next big thing in factory automation, Level 3 mobile manipulators. For the longest time, factory robots were powerful but stuck in one spot, bolted to the floor. Then we got autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, which could drive around but couldn't really do anything. Mobile manipulators give you the best of both worlds. Basically, you take a self-driving base and stick a robotic arm on top, creating a machine that can both navigate a busy factory and perform useful tasks. We're now seeing these robots move out of the lab and onto real factory floors, tackling jobs that require both movement and manipulation. Imagine a robot that can drive to a shelf, pick the right part, and deliver it to a human worker across the facility, or one that can perform inspections in hard-to-reach places. They're being used for everything from unloading trucks to tending multiple machines spread across a large area. This gives factories a whole new level of flexibility since one robot can do several different jobs all over the building in a single day. This field is absolutely exploding right now. Thanks to better AI, computer vision, and batteries, these robots are getting smarter and more reliable. While it's still early days, mobile manipulators are proving they're the future of a truly flexible factory. ABB has been giving its robots eyes with 3D vision and hands with advanced sensors for years. Now, they're tying it all together with cutting-edge AI, including generative AI, to create robots that can plan their own work and even switch between complex tasks without any human telling them what to do. This is a massive leap from machines that just blindly follow a pre-written script. Their new Flexly Mover P603 is a perfect example. It's a mobile robot that uses AI-driven navigation to move through a factory with an accuracy of just plus or minus 5 millimeters, without needing any special lines or markers on the floor. But the AVR vision goes further. Imagine that robot arriving at a station and its arm decides on its own to perform a quality check. After it's done, it analyzes the factory's needs and decides the next most important task is helping with assembly somewhere else. With tools like ABB's Robot Studio AI Assistant, workers can even use natural language to give robots commands. This is the start of an era where factories aren't just automated, but truly autonomous. Flexible environments where intelligent robots manage workflows and adapt to problems in real time. Coming in at number 2 is a robot that looks like it walked right out of a sci-fi movie, the 1X Neo Beta humanoid. Most robots are designed for a single, specific job, but humanoids are built to work in our world, using the same tools and moving through the same spaces we do, and 1X is leading the charge to bring them into the real world. Standing just over 5 feet tall and weighing only 66 pounds, Neo is designed from the ground up to be safe around people. Its bio-inspired design gives it a natural, fluid way of moving that's totally different from the stiff, rigid motions of traditional robots. The company's goal is to create a safe, smart humanoid that can provide an abundant source of physical labor for both industrial and, eventually, home environments. What makes Neo so incredible is its AI. 1X is training a powerful AI model by having human operators guide the robots through real-world jobs. This allows Neo to learn and understand its environment, turning it into a helpful assistant that can figure out commands and adapt on the fly. The company has ambitious goals, aiming to deploy thousands of these robots in 2025 and potentially millions by 2028. While these are targets and initial pilots are still scaling, the technology is directly transferable to factory tasks like precision assembly. With its human-like dexterity and advanced AI, the 1X Neo represents a pivotal moment, blurring the line between machine and human collaborator. And at our number one spot, we have a robot that combines it all: intelligence, mobility, dexterity, and even a sense of touch. Meet the Fourne from the German company Neuro Robotics. Pronounced for anyone, this humanoid is designed to be the ultimate cognitive collaborator, able to see, hear, and feel its surroundings. The 4NE1 is an engineering marvel. It stands nearly 6 feet tall and, thanks to its powerful joints, can lift an astounding 100 kilograms or 220 pounds. But its real strength is its brain. Neurorobotics has focused on building a robot that can perceive its environment, make its own decisions, and learn from experience. Its most revolutionary feature, as claimed by the company, is its artificial skin. This network of sensors can apparently detect touch even before contact is made, allowing the robot to move quickly while remaining perfectly safe around people. This solves a huge problem for collaborative robots. Most have to move slowly to be safe, which limits their usefulness. But the 4NE1's advanced senses could let it work at high speeds without risk. Neura has shown off the third generation of the 4NE1, performing complex industrial and service jobs. Powered by a dual battery system for 24/7 operation and linked to an AI ecosystem called the Neuraverse, this robot is designed to be a true jack of all trades. Neura calls it the iPhone of robotics, a platform that will completely change how we use machines. By combining incredible strength, cognitive AI, and a human-like sense of touch, the Neura 4NE1 is our number one mind-blowing robot and the clearest vision yet of the factory of the future. From the tireless workhorses of mass production to cognitive humanoids that can learn on the job, the robot revolution is clearly hitting its stride. These 7 machines are just a glimpse of what's happening, proving the factory of the future is already here, getting smarter and more collaborative every day. The question isn't if robots will change our world anymore, but how we'll learn to work alongside them. Which robot on this list blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay on the cutting edge of tech and automation, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.